Hello friends, welcome to Vishwa Tech Like YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you the full details offer of the Jio Wi-Fi. So in this offer you will going to get up to 5 months free internet and calls. So to know the full details, watch the full video and please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. So now let's get into the topic. So watch the full video friends to know all the terms and conditions. So as you can see here, I am in the official website jio.com, and also if you want you can open the my Jio application also. So I will refresh it once. So as you can see here, there are routers are available. So two routers are available. These are for 2000 rupees. So where you can get offer in the both the routers. So if you are trying to buy, you are planning to buy these routers, this is the best time friends to buy these routers. So you will be getting the more benefits. So in this video I am going to explain the full details. So let us click on any one of the router. So as you can see here friends, it will be a 4G router and we will be continuing the selling price will be the 2000 rupees, and also if you want, so you can take it for the 94 rupees of the EMI every month friends. You need to pay full amount, but so let us see the first of all let us see the offer. So and let us go to the another details. So let us click on the offer and the information. So as you can see here friends, purchase a Jio Fi device for the 1999 and subscription nothing but friends, for this you need to they will give the new Jio SIM card. So this offer is not applicable for the old SIM cards. So you need to buy the new SIM card. It means that you will be getting the free SIM card, but you need to recharge for the Jio subscription for the 99 rupees. So where the offer will be eligible for the, you will be getting up to 5 months friends. For details let us click on here. So commonly we will get 1 year warranty and 6 months of battery warranty. So you can check for more details. So I will explain only the offer. So let us see what is the Jio offer. So you can buy it for the, you need to buy it for the 2000 rupees and you need to must and recharge for the 99 rupees. So nothing but 99 rupees friends. So if you recharge and you need to recharge for the another pack, any of the pack friends. So as you can see here, they mentioned that so purchase the Jio Fi device for the 1999 rupees. So prepaid service, so the RGO and the complete benefits of up to 5 months. You will be getting the free calls and the data friends for the up to 5 months. So let us see. As you can see here, the chargeable plans. So you need to, after recharging for 99 also, so you need to recharge any of this pack. So they are given a 3 options. So let us see what are they. So and what we will be getting the benefits and all. So active the SIM card FRC with 199. So basically friends, for 199 rupees we will be getting the 1.5 GB per day. So it will be for 28 days. So and also 99 is compulsory for every pack, no need to mention. So this will be compulsory for all the packs friends. So but as you can see here, they mentioned clearly that this will be valid for 140 days. So 140 days, let us calculate 140 days means how many days it will be. So let us calculate. So 140 days divided by 28 days. So let us see. So it is of 5 months. So you will be getting the 5 months, you will not getting the 5 months free friends. So here you are paying for the 1 month, you will be getting the 4 months of free data and the voice calls and also the commonly the SMS also. So let us see the all the other packs also, what the benefits we will get. So in this first plan friends, we will be getting the 1.5 GB for 140 days. So you need to take this dongle, that is mandatory, and you will reach up for 199 rupees commonly for the 1 year subscription. So you will, if you reach up for 199 rupees, you will be getting the valid for 140 days and you will be getting the 1.5 GB every day friends. And the second option is to activate 249 rupees pack. So 249 rupees pack is basically you will be getting the 2 GB data per day worth of, it mean it will be commonly valid for 28 days. So 249 plus 99 rupees is mandatory obviously. So it will be valid for 112 days friends. So as you can see here, they mentioned first up to, not exactly flat, they did not mention flat like that anything exactly. So only read all the terms and condition and you can purchase this. So as you can see here, they mentioned that 112 days, it means that we will get like 4 months like that friends, nearly like that. So you will be getting up 2 GB every day. So commonly friends, if you reach up for 249, so basically if you are a normal user, so you will be getting an 2 GB per day. It will be valid for 28 days, but here you will be getting for 112 days friends, completely 112 days. You will be getting an like free data and 1000 off net minutes for 28 days. So therefore at 6 paisa minute, so you will be getting the calls also and also the SMS. So you can check out this page link also. So you can get this in official website and also MyJio app. And also the third offer is, so here as you can see here, it is nothing but 349. So if you are using for 3 GB, you will be getting up 3 GB data friend. So basically we will get validity for 28 days. So if you reach up for 349 3 GB pack, so here you will be getting for 84 days. So where you will be getting 1000 off net calls. Off net nothing but friends, other than the Jio like Airtel, Idea, Vodafone, these all are off net calls. So you can get for Jio to Jio free calls you will be getting, and for the other like networks you can use this minutes. So if you're only purchasing for the data purpose, this is the best pack. So you can just if you want, if you have a credit card friends, you can go for this like for the EMI also. Every month you need to pay 94 rupees. So as you can see here, they clearly mentioned that start EMI from 94 rupees. So you need to complete this EMI until the 1999, but it is good if you want to take an EMI, you can take an EMI. These are the best offers friends. If you like my explanation, please do share this video with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and please do comment your opinion below. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.